Hello everyone, welcome all of you in FunnelAnalysts. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a pop-up like this in system.io. See, this is a very beautiful looking pop-up that we're going to create in this video. So if you want to learn to create pop-up like this, then watch the video till the end. So first of all, just open your system.io dashboard, then open your sales funnel, then click edit page. So in this page, when someone click the button, the pop-up will be appeared. So just click pop-ups, click add pop-up. Now see, this default pop-up will be appeared over here. So now we just need to customize this pop-up, then the pop-up will be look like this. So first of all, just click here edit pop-up settings. So show pop-up close button, make it turn on and make the close button background into red color. Now delay we will make it off and open pop-up automatically, make it turn off. We don't want to open the pop-up automatically. And from here width, make the width into 720. Then our pop-up width will be this much. So now from here we need to change the pop-up background color. So I have the background color code. I will just copy the color code from here and I will just click here and just paste the pop-up background color. Then our background will be look like this. Now let's add those content, add those text and input forms. So first of all, this is our headline text. So let's copy this headline text and then come over here, then double click here and I will just press Ctrl V, then the text will be pasted over here. Now we need to make the color into look like this and we need to change the font. So I have used a custom font, so I'll just double click here and I will select custom font and this is our font. Then it's going to be look like this. Now double click here and select the color into black. Then it's going to be look like this. Now build for you in minutes. I will add some enter here. Then it will be in 3 lines. Now we need to make this color into this. So I will just select this text and just click here and I will just paste the color code over here. Then it's going to be look like this. Now we need to add the subtext. So I'll just copy the subtext from here and then what we can do, just click here and drag this text element over here. Then I will just double click here and press Ctrl V and I will make the font size, just select double click here. First of all, make the color into this color and make the font size into 20 pixel and I will make the line height into 26 pixel. Then I will make the font into custom font and I will choose this font and then get your, I will just press enter, then it would be into 2 line, then double click, make the color into little more dark, this much. Then it's gonna be look like this. Now click here and add some space. I'll just from the margin sections from the bottom, just add 10 pixel margin from the bottom. Then it will add some space between these two. Now what we need to do, we just need to add this input form. So click here, this is the email input form. Just change the placeholder text. So I will just write down here enter your best email address. Then I will just make the font size into 18 pixel and I will just make the font family. So see here we cannot change the font family. So how can we change the font family over here? So just click settings and from default font choose custom font and I will choose this font. And from now if we click here pop-ups, then this pop-up, then it will add the default font here. Now just duplicate this one. Okay, first of all let's do some more thing. Just click here and from the solid make it none because we don't need any solid border, and for the rounded corner make it 0 pixel from the all of the side. Then the input form is gonna be look like this. Duplicate this one, just duplicate this one and make the first one into email to first name and I will just make the placeholder name into enter your first name. Now we just need to change the button. Click the button and scroll down below. Here you can see button text. So just write the button text. Now here you can see we have the subtext below. So we don't need the subtext, so just delete the subtext over here. On the bottom here you can see the solid color, so just remove the solid color because we don't need the solid color. And now on the top let's change the font family. So I'll make the font into custom font and I will choose this font. Make the font size into 24 pixel. Now let's add the icon. So for adding the icon, just come over here and from here icon selected before text. So just click here and here just write down here arrow. Then I will choose this icon. Then it's gonna be look like this. Now I don't need this one, so I will just delete this one. Now what we need to do, just click this edit pop-up settings and now we just need to add padding. So for the top and bottom, just use 120 pixel from the top and from the bottom also use 120 pixel. Then it will just add some 120 pixel padding from the top and bottom sections. And for the left and right side use 100 pixel padding. Then it's gonna be look like this. Now see, if we see it on full screen mode, then it's gonna be similar to this. Click the button, so I will just copy the button background color, and from here I will just make the background color into this color. Okay, this is not the button background color, I think this is the background color, so I will just paste the button background color and click the button and make the button font size into little bit smaller. Build my free store. Okay, let's make it 24 pixel, and for solving this problem just come over here. For the padding option we need to change the padding, then it would be perfect. So here you can see on the padding options left and right side, make the padding into 0 pixel, then it will just add in one line. Now what we can do, just from the top and bottom, on the top use 10 pixel and on the bottom use 10 pixel padding, then it will add some space. If you think you need more, then just add some more space from the top and bottom, then it would be look much better. And see, now it's gonna be look like this, similar to our this pop-up. Now if you sit on full screen mode, then see pop-ups, this is our pop-ups, it's gonna be look like this. Now what we need to do, we just need to click here and scroll down below and rounded corner. So for this pop-up, make the rounded corner into 4 pixel from all of the side, then it will be add this 4 pixel rounded corner from all of the side. Now it's looking perfect. Now click save changes. Okay, before clicking save changes, click here button, then when someone fill this form, they will be redirect to our affiliate link. Let's say when someone fill this form, they will just redirect to FunnelAnalysts.com website. So just from your submit form, choose open URL and type your URL. And if you want to open the link in a new window, just select this one, or if you want to open it in the same window, just select this one. Then just click save changes and it would be done. Now if you want to send after someone filling this form, they will just redirect to the next step. It could be a thank you page, it could be a sales page. Then from here you just need to first of all submit form, you just need to have the submit form, then just select the next step or whatever URL you want to redirect to them. But I will just open URL and this is FunnelAnalysts.com, it would be redirect to. Now click save changes, and now let's see it on live. So I will just click here preview. Now see, this is our affiliate marketing funnel that we just created. So if I click here build my free store, then see the pop-up will be appeared. Okay, the pop-up is not appearing, so just click here. Okay, just click pop-up, then pop-up will be exited. And now here on the button, just click the button and show pop-up, and now we just need to select the pop-up. And now if we click save changes and click here, and see, now if we just click here, then the pop-up will be appeared. Okay, one problem you can see, if someone click here, if they don't fill this form and click the button, still they are redirecting to the URL. So how can we solve this one? So for solving it, just click pop-ups and open this pop-up, click this button. So don't make it open URL. First of all, we just need to submit the form. Okay, the user first need to submit the form, then only they will redirect to the next URL. So submit form, then to a custom URL, then we just need to paste our URL. So now click save changes. Now we will just collect the lead from the users, then they will be redirected to the next step. So yes, that's the thing you just need to do. So yes, this way you can just easily create your pop-ups in system.io. So that is it for this particular video. Thank you for watching and keep watching our videos.